Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the safety manager interview. If you are going to conduct a safety interview, a good position and good organizations, then you should know that some tips and some questions must be aware about this. First, any organization's first HR department ask to tell me about yourself. First thing, tell me about yourself. So guys, we have to explain that. For examples, first impress your intended. After that, you have share with your experience, and after that share with some achievements and qualifications. Only for short duration of interview. First thing, suppose that I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. As a safety professional, I have started my career back in 2018. I have completed 14 years experience in construction industry, managing all aspect environment, health, safety management system at our workplace. Along with my qualification is a mechanical engineering and advanced diploma from MSBT, and certifications course also included lead auditor safety course ISO 18001, OSAS 18001 and 45001 environment management system. And currently I have more awareness training conducted with entire our team ISO 45001, and also I have completed we have faced the problems faced the ISO audit system, ISO 45001 audit system, and we have completed many different many projects and different organizations, and there was achieve 2 million, 4 million safe man hours, 5 million last hour, 8 million safe man hours, highest 8 million safe man hour achievement one single project, and at Loma IT Park in our that was our organizations Bhatia and Raji Construction Company Private Limited. So guys, this is a simple answer to explain that if you are going to conduct a safety interview. Second questions may be asked to by an HR department. What is your major challenges in your work period while during your work period? So guys, you can explain that if any challenges comes in your duty period, then explain that. For examples, I have faced the problem in 2008 in our organization's financial crisis. There is budgeting, very poor budgeting system in that time because of some issue related the pandemic and recessions, and that times some employee cost cuttings also thinking. So this is a fact too, this is a big challenges in our duty period, how to manage occupational health safety management system if budgeting funding is very poor. So we have decided to some barricading system that was residential building. There is also need to be hard barricading entire building periphery, but we cannot do that because of that financial issue. So we have to implement properly barricades with entire staircase only for go through on top, and top area also barricading. So we have to minimize that, or we have to reduce the risk when cost cutting managements will be preferred to minimize that time. So that was my challenges work. Some PP issue also by organization. This was my very challenges to work, and that times we have to hire a Mochi for the stitching of safety shoe and then work on site. So this was my challenges in our duty period. So, third questions may be asked to HR department, and how would you deal with the if any organization, any employers, corporate employer refuse the occupational health safety management system at your workplace, then what will be your action plan? So guys, we can explain that. We have to explain that, sir. If any corporate staff employer refuse the safety systems at our workplace, this is not good. So we have tried that and sit on office and explain that what is important of safety. If you are safety violating and refusing a safety at your workplace, what may be happen, what will be impact our organizations, impact our workers, impact yourself and others persons. So explain that important of health safety and benefit of safety at workplace, then maybe improve. After that, again retrainings motivating into staffs in our scenario is our fact to take disciplinary actions. Before we have to try that proactively by trainings, by motivating, by example importance of safety. Some examples share with the any accident and due to lack of safety knowledge and lack of poor safety performance at workplace. We have to try that first attempt. After that, we will take disciplinary actions as per company policy. Because of our company also make a safety policy and also signed by, authorized by our managing director, so that can follow by strict actions if ignorance after that trainings and training and motivating. So we will try to first attempt by a soft way. After that, we will take disciplinary actions like suspensions, like payment, salary deductions, like email memo and highlighted with the senior management that staff not follow the safety rule regulation at our workplace. Maybe take strict actions if possible, if not improvement at your workplace, and try to change the behavior and proactively work at our organization. Fourth questions may be asked to you: why you have choose our organizations as a safety managers? So guys, this is a simple answer, so you can explain that. Sir, I am a hard work, I am a safety professional and resolver. If any problems comes in related the safety, immediate actions will be taken and resolve, and some idea to explain, idea to remove the any hazards, and if we are hired with you, if organization hired to me, then I first attempts all our staffs, all our workers as a familiars, and this is first responsibility to check the health and safety system, entire all workmanship and employers which are working in our organizations. This working in our organization, and also remove the risk and danger of our organization, danger of risk at our organization. We can monitoring and proper ensuring and inspections, trainings, motivating to staffs, and every problems share with our management systems for implementing purpose. So this is our big challenges. I am a hard workers and proactively improvement safety health culture in our any organization. So this is my This is my work frequency, and I am proud of my work and with our organization. So this is my guys. Fifth questions may be asked by employers. What is your role and responsibility? First, we will excellent occupational health safety performance at our workplace, and proactively well collaborations with the engineers and entire project for improving health safety cultures, and a smooth work at our workplace. Smooth productions will be increased at our workplace by by proper discussed by proper safety meetings, toolbox talk and trainings, safety induction system, safety inspections, safety committee meetings, management review meetings, that all are considered about the meetings, trainings and safety awareness trainings with all entire workers, and monitor the health safety management system. If any incident and accident happen at our workplace, proper investigations with entire project team, and make a proper plan to achieve a best safety practices at our workplace. Also, on monthly basis, we have to plan, make a plan objective as per defined by company, and every targets achieved within the month is a long term and short term target made for better safety performance at our workplace. And new idea, consultant by workers and other interested party, external issue and internal issue, all problems we will resolve that and make a proper safety access related the all entire risk and hazards free, and nobody harm to hazards and risk at our workplace. This is our first attempt to conduct that all inspections and monitoring proper and ensuring occupational health safety management system on first priority, because of this is a part of work. Safety is a part of work. If workers and employer working in our organization, this is first priority to who make a proper provisions, safety provisions, welfare, others things will be provided by organization. This is our first responsibility to attempt that. Thanks guys.